For today's video, we are doing another unboxing. Specifically, we are going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know, if you watched my last Louis Vuitton unboxing from January, February, I said that I was content with my Louis Vuitton collection, that I wasn't going to be focusing on any more LV pieces, and that I really wanted to try to save for the Chanel Jumbo. But when I saw this, I could not pass it up. It checked off so many things that I was missing in my handbag collection, and I honestly could not just pass it up. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. I'm going to share all the details, how this came about, and all of that stuff. If you guys are new around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes some fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury like today. So if those are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. Before we get started, I do want to mention I'm so sorry if you can see the sun and the lighting and all that stuff coming down. The sun is coming down now as well, but today's the only time I have to unbox this and share this with you guys, and I just cannot wait anymore. So I'm really sorry if the lighting is distracting. I'm going to try to hopefully stay in frame where it's not so distracting for you, but I'm really sorry if it is. So here is the beautiful bag. When we take it out, here is the box. At the bottom, my essay did include the proof of purchase here, and she did include a little perfume as well. Here we go. Undo the ribbon here. There we are. Any guesses on what it could be? So this is part of the Spring in the City collection. Oh, got a little card too. I guess I'll have to look at that there. I didn't even know that that was in there because this is literally the first time I'm opening it as I open it with you guys. So here is the item. Oh my God, I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Okay, pouch. Are we ready? Oh my God. Look at how cute this is. I am dying. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Petite Sac Plate from the Spring in the City collection. Look at the bag. You could see that it is raised LV here. So here is the bag, and you can see that it has a shiny kind of not like a reflection to it, but it has like a shiny kind of holographic kind of feel to it, and it is raised compared to the actual bag. Oh my God, this is so freaking cute. They do have this in the monogram, and they also have it in other colors. So this is the bag, and then it also does come with an adjustable strap, and the strap is this beautiful periwinkle seafoam green, and then it does have pink on the side. I don't think you'll be able to see it because my lights are washing it out. The strap is fully adjustable as well, so you get both of these together. On the inside, the handles here should be noted. You can fold it down. On the inside, it is this beautiful lilac-y kind of color. It's like a linen material on there, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it also does have little LV stamping and logos on the inside. I'll be 100% honest with you guys, this was kind of an impulse purchase, and I normally don't make impulse purchases. I really try to think long and hard about the bags that I'm aiming to get, the bags that I'm saving for. I also don't have just unlimited funds. I don't have just money sitting here that it's oh yeah, let's just drop $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 in one day. No, I really have to plan ahead, and I do have to save for my purchases and purchase a bag. So when I did my last unboxing and I unboxed the Multipoche Accessoire, I mentioned that I was very content with my LV collection, and I truly am. I really was very happy with it. I have the Dami Azur, the Abine, I have the Neverfull, I have smaller bags. I was very, very happy with the collection. So I really wasn't thinking about getting another LV bag anytime soon. Fast forward to February, I think, or March, they started coming out with pictures of this collection, and I really liked it. I loved the color scheme of this. It looked just so pretty, and I told myself that I wanted to get something from the collection, but I didn't know what was going to be released. And then I saw that they released the Neverfull of this. They released the On the Go PM, and just several big bags. But the thing I noticed about that was that all of those bags were like $2,500 to like $3,500. And honestly, I told myself that if I was gonna be spending anywhere near $3,000, it had to be in Chanel. Just because I've already have LV bags, I really wanna focus on trying to grow my Chanel collection. So I kind of just decided that maybe this wasn't a collection for me. I really wanted to get something from this collection, but I wasn't finding anything that I really liked until I saw this one. I just thought that this one was kind of perfect. I don't really have top handles in my collection. I'm not a top handle kind of girl. So if the bag is literally only top handle, it's hard for me to use because I like versatility. Sometimes I like being hands-free. But this one, as we see, comes with a strap as well. And the strap is adjustable. I can wear this as a shoulder bag if I really wanted to. I can take off the strap and just use it as a top handle. And then the other thing I thought about it too is because it does have D-rings right here, I can actually attach, if I wanted like a gold chain or something else that isn't this strap, I could actually attach that to it as well. So I like how I was able to change out the straps and the way I used it. It didn't just have to be a top handle, and it didn't just have to be a crossbody bag either. I like that these kind of bend down here as well because I know some are stiff and they stay at the top. So when I'm wearing this crossbody, I feel like this will be a lot easier. Although this was an impulse purchase, like this specific one, I actually had been looking at this design for quite some time. So I actually looked at the Petite Sac Plaque in the bicolor, this one with the black and the nude. Like I said, I saw it come out in this pastel color and I had to have it. I don't have anything in my collection that remotely is any close to any of these colors. And then thinking logistically about this, I feel like having a bag that has all three of these colors is probably easier to wear because I can just wear a pink item or a purple item or a green item, or I can wear this with neutrals, or I can wear this with like white colors as well. I feel like this would all go along with it too. And because it does come with the crossbody strap and it is kind of the shopper design, I feel like you can use this casually with jeans, like a pop of color to like a casual look. But like I said, you can use this as solely a little top handle bag. So I feel like for going out times, especially with like a white dress or like a pink dress or something, I think this can go so well. I think this can, I've actually been thinking about adding a pop of color to my handbag collection. I don't have anything that's remotely close to this color scheme, that's remotely close to this pink or this purple or blue. It's just, I saw it and I had to have it. So this bag does retail for I think $19.50, which is only like $100 more than the regular Petite Sac Plaque. I think that one is $18.50 if I'm not mistaken. So for $100 more, you get this beautiful color scheme, limited edition design. I couldn't pass up on it. I have my YSL card holder here, have my iPhone 11. So there it is in there, and then you still have some space on the side if I want to put like a lipstick or a little compact. There is a compact. I'll just tuck this down here before my card holder, and then I have like a little tube of lipstick that all fits right in there, and then I still have space here that I could toss my car keys if I wanted to. So all of the basics fit in here that I need to. You do have to downsize with this bag because it is a smaller bag, but I'm so blown away by how beautiful it is. And like I said, it fits the basic essentials that I need. If I take out my phone, I still have even more space in here. The cotton candy, it's so beautiful. So let me show you the ways that you can wear this little bag. Like with this dress, you could just wear it like little crossbody bag here. You can put these down or put them up if you want to, whatever works for you. You can take off the strap and then just have it as like a cute little handbag. It's too small to like go on the crook of your elbow, but just a cute little bag here. A strap from my LV Bouillon bag. So let's just put it here. You can do this as like this little bag on here, or as like a little shoulder bag.